a fresh wash. There's a 1794 daily. But yeah, since the last video I did do most of the things I said I was going to do to it. The black badging is on, and I really love this Silverstone metallic paint. Looks so good. But yeah, clear side markers, did those. Did the badging in black again. Just got done cleaning the wheels, but yeah, I did the red brake calipers with the slotted rotors, dynamic friction. Stock calipers just painted red, and then EBC brakes, red stuff, pads. Looking nice and shiny. It's a cold day, but that ain't gonna stop me. Got black badge in the back. Sins forgiven. Don't forget. Because at the end of the day, that's all that's gonna matter. These physical things are gonna burn up. But yeah, it's looking nice. On the inside, floor mats. Like I said, I was gonna do. I did shampoo the carpets, and then AP2 console. Nice shift knob. The only thing I did not do is the door because I don't have a skinny enough tool to get in and get the pin out. So I'm still gonna figure that out. But I did do the Kenwood deck, and that works nicely. I have new speakers that just arrived. Just gotta put those in maybe tonight. Got some errands to run. But all in all, it's coming together nicely. But yeah, looking good. More to come.
5 hours later.
Just removed the door panel to install these speakers. Got it sitting over there. Time to get these bad boys installed. Should be real quick, real easy. So this is a side-by-side comparison of the JBL 620Fs. These are the shallow mounts. They bolt right up. Believe it or not, these are 165 watts peak power. The stock S2000 ones are about 15. And this is what it looked like after it was installed on the door. I'm recording this audio afterwards, and you'll just have to take my word for it that they sound good. Sound way better than stock, so I am impressed. My AP1 only has 2 speakers, but this does the job. I'm not building this to be a audiophile vehicle, so again, I'm quite pleased. I would recommend them, and this would conclude the video. Thank you all, and God bless.